Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are continuing our lesson on Scratch Programming Introduction. Before we start the lesson, I want to show you how you can download a Scratch application on your computer or phone. You can do that. So Scratch programming can run on multiple devices, on different devices, computers, tablets, or smartphone. So type on Google this is the address or the website of Scratch. You can see it says scratch.mit.edu, okay, and then type download. It will take you to this, okay. So sorry, we have the application is here. This is depending on which operating system you are using on your device, okay. So for my case it's Windows. Just if it is Windows, it will come by default. Then click here, direct download. This will make you this will help you download the application on your computer, okay. This once you download, then double click to run it. This is Scratch 3, okay. And yeah, that's, just wait for it until it comes. Okay, so this is how you can download. You can also create your own applications here. Okay, the download option has come here. You can see Scratch 3291 setup. This is a setup. I think this is the latest version I'm using. Okay, so this is what I have. You can download this one. Just hit the save button and then go onto that and double click to run the application. Okay, all right. Saying that, let's proceed to our lesson. Oh, and also if you're using other operating systems, just click on the other operating systems to download, okay. Okay, now let's continue on our Scratch lesson. Choosing our backdrop. Okay, interesting backdrop. Any backdrop you can choose, just click it on that. All right, and we are going to choose any sprite we like. Okay, all right, let's I'm choosing, oh, so I chose a sprite. Okay, sorry. I'm going to delete the Scratch the cat. Okay, deleting Scratch the cat. I've chosen a beetle, and now I'm choosing my backdrop. You can choose any backdrop you want. Usually if you're making stories, choose something that fits to that. Okay, since I'm doing just math, I'll do any random. Okay, all right, just making it city. Okay, now we are going to make a simple addition. Explore the operation block. Okay, usually when making Scratch program, you should have an event block. So go to the event, click on events, drag and drop this command. Okay, if you want it to start, simply on clicking green flag. Okay, we also have other options. You can use this one. This is spacebar. That means when you are pressing the spacebar, the biggest key on your computer keyboard, then you can use this one. Just if you want to delete this one, just right click on it and then delete. You can do that, delete block, or you can just drag, drop it back. Okay, you can do that. All right, choosing this a green flag, and then let's do a simple addition from this looks block. I'm taking say hello. Okay, for 2 seconds. You can edit here. You can edit this message to anything. Okay, this, yeah, you can edit. Just double click on it and start writing to change it. And this seconds is for how long it will display on the screen. Okay, the output. Now going to the addition block, here to the operators block, I am dragging addition. Okay, I will put addition here. So you can see the shape of this add and the shape of this. So this ones can fit in it. Okay, when you're dragging and moving it, you can see this color changes, the edges of that shape just fit in. All right, and then you can start writing inside. So for example, 5 plus 6. Okay, So if hit the green button here, you can see it's saying 11 for 2 seconds. If you want to increase this one, 5 seconds. Yeah, so it's going to say 11 and it's going to wait there for 5 seconds and then it disappears. Okay, so this is a simple addition operation with a Scratch. Okay, you can change this number anything you want. Okay, you can also say something here. We are from this operations, we can also take something called here join. Okay, so join is used to make a sentence. So I'm going to say the sum of 5 and 6 is, okay, I'm making sentence. And okay, see here, I just fitted this there. Okay, you can replace with any command you want. Okay, so the sum of 5 and 6 is, this is the sentence I want it to come before the result. Okay, so I'll put this addition operation here because we have 2 spaces here. Then hit this button. It says what? The sum of 5 and 6 is 11. Okay, okay, so we have seen 2 operations: the addition operation, where you can change these numbers to anything you want, and the join operation, which is useful for making a sentence. Okay, good. All right. Okay, that's interesting. One of the interesting things you can do is Scratch. You can also change this one to multiply. Okay, so in multiplication, unlike when we do it in paper, it's not X, it's a star. Okay, this is called asterisk. Yeah, asterisk. So asterisk symbol is used. For example, 5 times 11. Okay, so here the product, change the sentence, the product of 5, or you can say 5 times, okay, 5 times 11 is, okay, I'm just making a sentence, is, then make a space, and then hit the green button. You can see 5 times 11 is 55. Okay, so it multiplied, it made the sentence and displayed the whole thing. Okay, so as you can see from the looks block, we have used the say hello. That is a basic block. Okay, the basic command. You can unfit this ones. Yeah, so you can see the say hello command here, which is used for making visual output or text output. Okay, a written output. All right, so to display a written output on the screen, okay, or on the stage. So as you can see here, we can simply write anything here, like for example, how are you? Okay, how are you? So just like that, and hit this one. It says like this: to multiply. Okay, so a result of something, a result of some process, you can display, or you can do a number of interesting things, as you can see, okay, with using this command. Now we have seen addition, multiplication. Okay, you can also use here, replace this one with division. Okay, so for example, 100 divided by 6. Okay, a fraction. Okay, 100 divided by 6, okay, equal to, you can use this one just as math. Okay, then hit this one. You can see it says 100 divided by 6 is equal to 16. Okay, my digit is displayed, so you can do interesting things here. All right, okay, you can also add one magic block from here, one magic command. Okay, and this is from sensing, it's ask. Okay, so now let's multiply. Okay, so what we will do is, all right, so what we will do is we will multiply any number by 5. Okay. Okay. So now let's remove the join. Okay. Let's remove the join and put this one here. Okay. All right. Hit the green button and see. Enter any number. Okay. And but pay attention here. There is a white space here waiting for us to enter an input. Okay, an input to the program. So for example, if I type in here 5, type 5 and then press enter. Okay, so you can see it displays what? 25, because 5 times 5 is 25. So hit the program again, hit the green button again, and let's make something complex. Okay, 123. If you are very good in math, you can do this with your head. Okay, I'm trying. I have to think a lot. All right. Okay, that's it. So you can see how many amazing things you can do with Scratch programming. For today, I'll stop here. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please click like, share, and subscribe my channel to get more